Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video, or again unbagging. This is the last of the vintage watches I was expecting. Before we get to that, wrist check. I'm wearing my Timex Q. I did not unbox this one on camera. I did wear this one recently for another unboxing. That's when I remembered that this was one of the first watches I had in my first two videos where I was just addressing my collection at that time. So link to one of those. Collection's changed a bit since then. Quite a bit. But yeah, figure since this is another Timex, I should, you know, wear a Timex. Alright, let's see if I'm able to open this up easily without showing my address. That'd be nice, don't you think? It would be nice not to show my address, if at all possible. Alright, that's working, that's working. Alright. Alright. So they use the FedEx wrapper, an envelope, to ship something through the post office. Okay, so alright. Almost done with the unwrappings. Almost. I think this one's going to be a little clunkier, if I remember correctly. Wow, this was well wrapped. Wow. Taped up. I am hesitant to introduce a knife here, but he taped this up, so. Okay. Alright. Yeah, this one's a little clunkier, but it looks really nice. Bit of a contrast between the gold and the silver, but it's wow. Another expanding band, another 70s watch. Clunky Timex. Let's see what it say there. Sorry. Water resistant automatic. It's already moving. Alright, this is a screw down crown. Am I winding it? Sorry, this is yeah. It's kind of gold in here and silver on the bracelet, so it's a little unusual. So let's. There it goes. Again, this one does not have hacking, so it's going to be interesting to set the time and date on this one. Again, yeah, it is what it is. You gotta kind of have the Monday is going to be interesting. So is the day-date complication is going to be interesting to fix there. Kind of wish I could change the date or the day without having to, you know. Yeah. Oh well. It's just gonna take longer to set the time, but it's fine. I like the look of the watch. Let's try it on wrist. All right, let's try it on wrist. This one feels a little smaller, and I don't know if I like the different color scheme. Like Gold, silver. I feel like I'd go for a silver instead. I mean, a gold instead. And if it's the same size, this is not. See, that's the problem. This is still gold again. So, doesn't work. Doesn't work on that. But yeah, it's a nice watch. I just probably gonna change the bracelet on it. Yeah, that's just me being honest. Might go with something in leather. I have leather bands available. I'm sure I have them in this size. So it would just be the simplest solution, the fastest solution. And it's a nice looking watch. It's a really nice looking watch. What do y'all think? I think it's really nice looking. Nice little automatic Timex. No hacking. But yeah, let's see what's. Did we already look at the back of it? I don't recall. Was there much on there? There's something there. Base metal. Water resistant automatic. Stainless steel back. Okay. Sorry about that. Apologies. They call this a bezel though. Okay. All right. Sorry, still zoomed in. All right. So that's the fourth vintage watch. Let me know. Let me know what you think. I like it. Just don't think the silver goes with it. But that's an easy fix. A very easy fix. So yeah. Hope you're all enjoying your watches. Take care, everyone. Bye.